Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to do this beautiful bikini seamless and reversible top. This is what we need: a cotton mat, some scissors or a cutter, we need some pins, boom, and of course the fabric. Guys, I didn't mention this, but you will need a pattern. Here you need to join the two parts out first. Now it's time to sew. You need to sew and pull out, sew and pull out. And do the same with the other side. This is how it should look like. You need to make a hole to sew the stripes. We have to pass the stripes through the hole and sew it. This is how it should look like. After turning it around, this is how it should look like. And yes, we are done. Please don't forget to close the hole you done before. For do that, you will need a needle and thread. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.